Yo, what's the deal, chat? How we looking on stream right now? How we looking on stream right now? I'm trying to make sure everything is set up. I'm getting a late start, so excuse me for 1 second. I really wanted to have this all done for you guys. Let me just make sure everything is everything. All right, everything is public, okay. Okay, so I'm late to the markets. The markets open up at 9:30, so 6 minutes I have to analyze this chart, trading futures. So what I'm gonna do for you guys is I'm going to analyze this chart, see where I want to take my trade. I actually missed my trade that I wanted to take. I wanted to get up last night for the London session, but I've been sleep deprived lately, so I really couldn't get my ass up. I'm not gonna lie. But I wanted to catch this move right here. This is a daily time frame, so I wanted to catch this move from this area I had previously marked up and take it all the way down in here, but I missed it. But anyway, welcome to the channel. It's my first stream trading New Year's goal. I want to make 100K in the next 6 months, and I'm going to start from a brand new futures prop firm account. Which prop firm am I going to use? It's a toss up between my funded futures and Take Profit Trader. The only discrepancy I'm trying to figure out how I want to do this is because of the payout rule. So with my funded futures, is a consistency rule for payouts, meaning once I pass the evaluation and I get my live account, say I make $1,000 the first day, the next day I'm capped at making $400 because it's a 40% consistency rule, and the following day I can make 40% of $1,400, so on and so forth. Also on top of that, I need to make $100 consistently or more consistently for 5 days straight before I'm eligible for a payout. So it's the consistency rule and a payout. I mean, it's the consistency rule and the being profitable over $100 a day, which isn't bad because I mean you want some type of boundaries with trading. Trading, you have to be disciplined. It's just no other way around it. I've blown so much money just wilding out and basically damn near gambling. But and Take Profit Trader, which is the one I'm thinking about going with. So with them, the only discrepancy I have with them is once I get my live account and I pass my funded stage and I actually get funded, I pass my evaluation stage and actually get funded, the drawdown goes from a daily drawdown, which means if you lose, it gets calculated at the end of the day and added to your balance or taken away from your balance. It goes to a trailing drawdown. So what a trailing drawdown is that, say I'm in a trade, I make $1,000. The trade goes back on me $500 and I close my trade. Yes, I'm profitable $500, but on my daily, on my trailing drawdown, I'm negative 500. So basically you have to take your profits at the height of your trade. That's what a trailing drawdown is. Also with Take Profit Trader, matter of fact, I'll just pull it up. I'm not hopping in a trade yet. I'll just pull it up. This is Take Profit right here, guys. I'm making it bigger for you. So I would get in on a 50K account. It's not 170. It's like $102 with a code that I have, right? And the thing about Take Profit Trader that I like is there's no activation fee with the promotion that they're running right now. So meaning most prop firms where you pay for the evaluation, you pass it. I mean, you pay for the evaluation. Until you pass it, you get charged a monthly fee, right? Then once you pass your account, you have an activation fee, meaning that you have to pay a certain amount of money for them to activate your live funded account. Take Profit Trader right now is running a promotion where it's no activation fee for the lifetime of that specific account that you get. So say I failed the challenge this month. I failed the challenge. When it renews next month and I pass it, I still don't have any activation fee, even if the promotion's over. With my funded futures, however, they don't have any activation fee at all. Like, it's not even a promotion. But like I was saying, the payout with Take Profit is way better because once I pass my evaluation and I get funded, I can take out my money from day one. There's none of that consistency rule. If I hit a trade that's running for $1 million, I can let it run. I don't have a 40% consistency rule, none of that nonsense. So that's what I'm probably gonna do. The other thing about Take Profit that I don't like is so I need to lose $2,000 in order to blow my account, right? If I lose $1,100 in one day, my account's done. With my funded futures, if you lose, I think it's like $1,200 in a day, they just freeze your account. You have to come back the next day. The only way you could blow your My Funded Futures account is if you blow the total limit that they give you. But I'm going to go over all of that later when I'm actually trying to educate you guys on trading. Right now, I need to figure out who I'm going to go with. I'm really leaning towards Take Profit. But either way, let me mark up this chart real quick. Because the market's opening in 1 minute and I need to see what's going on. So I'm on the daily. We just hit this imbalance right here. Let me see. Hit this imbalance right here. Okay, make this a little brighter. Change the character right here. We close right here, so this will be my change of character, and I'm going to explain all this, what I'm talking about, to you guys in a few minutes. Change of character right there. To the downside, we came down, failed to make a higher high, made a higher low, then we made a low. This is a lower low right here. Let's see, because I marked this up, but I just like to do it again. All right, this is crazy. Let me remove everything so I can start from the beginning. All right, so this was my change of character. Okay, this is my change of character right there. Broke that, closed beneath from this. This failed to make a higher high. Okay, so my bias is looking short already. Did we sweep this? Okay, we swept that, so it's a daily, so we did make a low low. So we failed to make a higher high, made a lower high, and then made a lower low. Okay, also, we came into this imbalance right here. Respected that, came down, closed beneath this candle. My bias is to the downside for the day, chasing this low. Okay, now I'm looking for entry. So let me drop down. Let me drop down to the 15. As you can see, okay, so in a 15-minute time frame, let me go back to the daily really quick. Okay, this is the open of this candle right here. That's the opening. Let me change this color so I know what's going on. And I will gladly show you guys what I'm doing in a second. That's the opening. Okay. Whoa. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is where my candle opened at. Right here. I'm looking for my liquidity levels. This was liquidity right here. This was also liquidity right here. Price did come through, close beneath here. Let me go to my 4 hour, see what's working on the 4 hour. So price did come through down here, failed to close on the 4 hour. This was the sweep that we had. Okay, this is my target. This is my drawn liquidity. feel like this is liquidity right here. So I'm trying to see. Matter of fact, let me move this. Let me add another box here. Okay. This is already hit. Let's change this so we can just stay organized. That level is already hit. This is our fresh level. Okay. Right now, market's open, and I am waiting for an entry. Oh my God, it looks so rough, bro. It's been a rough couple of days for me, guys. I haven't been getting any sleep. I take my ass to the barbershop. So I'll come back looking nice and fresh for you guys. You know what I mean? All right, so we're getting the sweep of this level right here. It's looking like the market's having a hard time closing beneath this level. So if you look on the 1 hour, we got rejected right here on the 1 hour. We swept it, turned around, made a new high over this candle. So at the current time, if I was to get in on a trade right now, what is this? What is this indicator I have up here? I don't know what is this, but it's annoying. Okay. At the current time, I would be considering moving back to this imbalance right here and looking for a trade from this zone to the downside. And like I said, once again, I'll explain all of this to you guys in a bit. But now I need to actually go ahead and get me an account. So do I want to deal with the daily drawdown? What I mean with the trailing drawdown is the question. And I mean, I trade a pretty tight risk to reward ratio anyway, so it really wouldn't affect me. I mean, I let my trade run to take profit. If I close my trade early, it would have to be for a reason. The daily loss limit. Let me see what the daily loss limit on my funded futures is. Okay, real quick, guys. This is my funded futures. This is what it looks like. You have certain accounts. You have the starter plus. These are all your starter accounts for a certain amount of money. And you do not get this money, okay? Everybody will be like, oh, I have 10 50K accounts, so you may think they have $500,000 they're trading with. No, okay? This is what you have. Max drawdown, 2K. That's how much you can lose. This is what you have in your account. This is what you have to trade with, 2K. You have to manage 2K. You cannot lose 2,000 in this account. For this account, you can't lose 3,000. For this account, you can't lose 4.5 thousand. Okay, this is a Starter Plus program. They have different benefits right here. You can do your own due diligence and come and look at any of these things. If you have any questions, you can just ask me. I'm going to go with the starter account. Max position size 3 contracts. That's 3 micro contracts. I trade, 3 mini micros. That's 3 mini contracts. I trade micros, which is basically so I could trade 30. Okay. My max drawdown is 2.5K, whereas take profit, as you can see, matter of fact, let me bring this over here so you guys can see really quick. Okay, so take profit. Is there a way I can see all of their Okay, well, yeah, you can see it right here. For the 50K account, it's a 2,000 compared to my funded futures, which is 2.5K max drawdown. Okay, their profit target is 3,000. Profit target is 3,000. Daily drawdown is 1.2. Their daily drawdown is 1,100. But here's the thing: you lose this right here in the day, your account's done. It's gone. You have to buy a whole new account. You lose this in a day, they just freeze it to the next day, right? So my overall, I have to lose, to blow this account, I have to lose 2.5, so $2,500. This is the consistency rule I was talking about previously. Um, you know, make $1,000 one day, I can only make $400 the next day. And minimum day profit per day is $100. Minimum payout is $250. So I have to have over $250 in my account to take out, which is cool. So I'm thinking I'm going to go with my funded futures. It's probably going to slow me down from my goal of reaching 100K in 6 months. But I'll just figure it out with my risk to reward ratio. I'll scale up. And then they do have a scaling plan. So what is this? Access up to 30. Oh yeah. So when I'm scaling in, I can only do 30 contracts max, which is cool. You know, anything over that, you're just really wilding anyway, unless your account can handle that. So let's get take profit out of the way. But for a lot of you guys who are, we want the best payout, take profit all day. I'll get you guys a link to take profit. It probably will be an affiliate link, but I've been trading with them so long, they've given me one, and you guys will get the no activation fee, blah, 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 all that good stuff. Let me just send the text out. I have some buddies of mine that are the reason why I'm even doing this channel right here. Okay. So like I said, market is open. It's 9:40. I'm on the 4-hour time frame right now. This level has been respected. This is my draw on liquidity to the downside. This is approximately from here. Oh, I could pass my account right now. I'll put 5 standard contracts. I mean, five contracts on here. That'll give me $3,000. I'll do 5 micros from here. The thing is, with this, I have 20 minutes for this 4-hour candle to close. If this 4-hour candle does not close underneath this yellow line right here, under this low, I'm looking to take a trade from here. This would be the more sensible trade because it would be sweeping out liquidity, which is what the market needs to move. Let's see. Let me throw this magnet on and see. Do we got a higher high? I mean, do we got a swing high? Or is this a swing high? You know, we can't tell from that. Let me look at these numbers. I'm looking at these numbers over here, guys. See the H, that's the high, the L is the low, and the C is the close, and the O is the open. So the high of this candle is 448.25. The high of this candle is 447. So this is my swing high right here. So yeah, so this is liquidity. Let me mark this out right here. This is liquidity. So this hasn't been swept yet, and we have a interest, a zone up here. So a point of interest over here, right above liquidity for the downside. We also have a supply zone right here. As you can see, we have this last up move candle right here, pushes all the way down, leaving an inefficiency right here. Pushing down, leaving us this fair value gap. Yeah, it's looking like I want to go to the downside on here. So I have time. I'm not going to rush it. Let me drop down to the 15-minute. Let's check volume. Let's see what volume's looking like on the 15. Okay, so like I said, time is fractal too, guys. So if you see me looking at something on a 4-hour, it's fractal. So everything I'm looking at on a 4-hour and fair value gap, swing highs, swing lows, all that shit is fractal. So it all applies on the same time frame. Had this been me back in the day, last year, when I say back in the day, I would have been hopped in the trade and biting my nails. No patience. You gotta have patience. See, all of this is liquidity. All this right here. The market was ranging in here. This is building up liquidity. So what liquidity is basically, it's where people have their stop losses at. So you know what? Let me kick it to you guys like this. And this people don't teach this. I spent thousands and thousands of dollars on courses, thousands of hours watching YouTube videos from these so-called gurus teaching you how to trade, giving you the only strategy you need, all this other nonsense. The truth of the matter is they don't tell you exactly what the hell is going on. They just don't. You know why? Because it keeps you tied to their courses and their programs and all that other shit. Eventually, I will be building a community where we can come together and I can do more explaining and things of that nature to get everybody profitable, or at least to get you guys to where I'm at as far as my understanding of the market. I'm not some guru, you know what I mean? I've busted my ass and used a lot of money to learn how to even look at these markets for a 50-50 chance to win. Nothing is 100% in the market. I could do all these markups. You could watch your favorite trader do all these markups and lose a trade. Nothing's 100% in the market. I want you guys to understand that. So, get back to what I was saying. The market, somebody has to lose and somebody has to win. That's how it is. Everybody can't win. So, liquidity. What liquidity is traders who took a position in a certain direction and placed their stop loss above that entry. So, say these traders right here, everybody who's taking sells, their stop losses are above here. They're above here, they're above here, they're above here. All these swing highs are stop losses. So what liquidity is taking these traders out, getting their money, right? So the big guys, the people that actually move the markets, they chase your stop losses. They chase liquidity because they need liquidity in order to put their amount of money in. So if they want to move the market down, they have to move the market up first. And they move the market up to take out those traders who are selling down. Okay? More of this I'll explain later. You know, right now, I'm just trying to give you guys a brief overview of what I'm looking at. Yeah, see, the market's ranging right now. We don't have any real breaks. Let me set an alert. I'm going to set an alert at this level, which is crazy because I have to put my headphones on. It may move without me. I don't know. If it does, I'll find an entry. But yeah, this is what I'm looking at from the daily time frame. And this is what you want to do. You want to go top-down analysis. So in the daily time frame, this was my fair value gap that I had. This is where I wanted to get in from. I seen this a couple of days ago, like a day ago, 2 days ago. Wait, 1, 2. Yeah, 2 days ago. I seen this gap here. That's why I marked it off. And I wanted to catch my trade from here. But, you know, I didn't want to rush anything. I'm trying to be really disciplined this year, moving forward. And I'm going to do some vlog style content for you guys also. Because, I mean, you can do this shit. You can make some money. Like I said, it's all about the discipline. So, we failed to close above this fair value gap. We pushed down very strong, closing beneath this. This is a 4 hour. Let me mark this as a 4 hour. Do I have something for this? No, so let me mark this as a 4 hour. 4 hour FVG. Where is that at? Let's do it in top. I don't like it at the top. Let's do it inside. Let's do it. Yeah, that's cool. Four-hour FVG, and you see how the 4 hour candle closed already, I believe. I know we still have 12 minutes on the 4 hour, but we're not getting any closure beneath there, which leads me to believe that it's going to run up to take out liquidity, run back into this zone, and then here's where I should be looking for my trade to the downside. So I'm going to go ahead and purchase my my funded futures account right now. And like I said, guys, take profit is the way to go. I'm not going to lie, but being that I'm going to trade this account live. Oh, and I'm also going to trade another account where it's Forex. I'm going to trade Forex. So I'm going to fund an account, a Forex account, and I'm going to trade there also. So this is my first video, so it's a little rough, but I'll get better, I promise. Okay, so I'm going to do the starter plan. Hey, what is going on here? Alright, I'm going to do the starter plan. Choose. Next. Terms and conditions. Next. Okay. I gotta add my card. Do I have a card on file? I gotta add my card. Okay. I go get my card, guys, and I'll be back. And I'm definitely moving this off screen, y'all. Y'all not getting my information. Tripping. Hold on 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. I gotta run upstairs to get my wallet, so I can enter this card. I don't have it stored on my computer. Oh, I had to reset everything. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna got my wallet. What else do I need to open up? Tradeovate. So my funded futures is a prop firm. The software, basically the platform that allows you to trade on, is Tradeovate, but you can connect Tradeovate to TradingView, which is what I'm about to do. So I can place my trades here on TradingView and do what I need to do. If you guys want to see the Tradeovate, I don't know, some people like that. Some people like hearing the order filled, like hearing that robot say that or whatever. Then, you let me know when you watch these videos back or whatever. See, the market's looking like it's trying to push right now. 7 minutes till this candle closes. Another thing, guys, rule of thumb, wait for a candle to close. Don't hop in the middle of a candle. Okay, so I'm going to go to, let's look at the 1 hour. Yeah, so on a 1 hour, I would be bullish. I would be bullish because we swept liquidity, closed above this. Very strong, I might add. But the volume for the, see how this volume pushing down, it's starting to die off. It's dying off. It went flat overnight. Now the bearish volume is picking back up. It's picking back up. So that's why I feel like my bias to the downside is correct. On the 1 hour though, here's the deal. Look at this. On a 1 hour, we also have a fair value gap that was hit. You know what I mean? Swept liquidity right here on the 1. This was liquidity, so I swept it right here, pushed down, and closed beneath. So on a 1 hour, we are bearish. So overall, we're bearish. Now it's just about my entry. Let me move this out the way. Now it's about my entry. Could I get in from here? I definitely could. Let me see what the 15 is looking like. Let me see what the 15 is looking like. See, I'm just not convinced with the volume pushing down. And another thing, higher time frames are more powerful. So the draw on liquidity is the daily, right? But we have a 4-hour fair value gap resting above. And all this liquidity, this is a lot. This is liquidity, this is liquidity. This is liquidity. So questions I like to ask myself is, where are we going and how are we getting there? We've already determined that we're going to down here. How are we getting there? We need to get there from a point of interest. So how are we going to get there? We're getting there from here. This was our point of interest on a daily. Swept this. How do we get here? By sweeping this. This is my point of interest. How are we going to get down to here? From here. So now I drop down to the 4-hour and I'm looking. I'm like, okay, how can I get in on this trade? Where can I catch this train at? These are train stops. I like to call these train stops, or on-ramps. On-ramps and off-ramps, right? Let's say train stations for now. Make it easy. I'm not going to hop on a train in the middle of the tracks. Like, what? Am I trying to die? Hell no. Can I even say, you can't even say that on YouTube. Whatever. It's my first video. Am I trying to get run over? Absolutely not. What I want to do is be at the train station waiting for the train to pull up, slow down, open the doors so I can get in and get to my destination. So that's what we're waiting for. I'm going to be patient. If it doesn't happen today, it doesn't happen today. Let me go ahead and finish taking my trade. Getting my account. Okay. Gotta pull out this big boy wallet, you feel me? I didn't even have to go get my wallet, bro. It's literally in that's tripping. That was wild. They didn't even need to do this. Two minutes left in this 4-hour candle, and it's looking like we swept this low, which is giving me more confidence that we will be returning to this 4-hour fair value gap to then push down. To then do something like this. Go down here. That's what I'm looking for. This is the move I'm looking for right here. Yo, what is up with this joint, man? What's up with these people? Bruh. I don't know what's going on with my Funny Futures right now. It's working on adding my card. It says, which I don't know why it's taking so long, but this is crazy. Like they need to figure out what the deal is. Okay, we're gonna try this one more time. One more time. Okay, straight. So we have our My Fund Futures account. Let me just log into Tradeovate because that's the platform that they use. That's the platform I use. I just connected to TradingView. Tradeovate. Let's go to Tradeovate. Log in. My Fund Futures. So when you log into your Tradeovate, My Fund Futures is going to give you a username and a password. You know, you just put it in, save it to your computer. You go in there and change the password if you would like to. Then you access simulation, and you'll see the funds in your simulated account on Tradeovate. Now, let me show you what it looks like. This is what Tradeovate looks like. Basically the same thing as TradingView. You know, they have smaller time frames though, so I do use them sometimes. But oh shit. But I just want to go here. I want to make sure everything's activated. Add-ons, TradingView. See, that's the platform we're on. I want to use that. Activate that. Activate all the free stuff, free indicators. You know, they give it to you. Advanced charting. Yeah. Okay, so I'm not gonna close this out. I'm just gonna move this over here. I'm going to. I don't need My Fund Futures open anymore. So I'm going to go here on Tradeovate, close this, have my Tradeovate chart open right here. And I'm going to go to a 15-second time frame on here. I don't really use the 15 seconds, but just when I want to be like sniper entry. You know what I'm saying? Sound like the big dogs. I'm gonna do that. But boom. Okay, now I want to connect my trading view to Tradovate. It's really easy, simple stuff. It's Tradovate. This is what the username will look like. This is what My Funded Futures gives you. And then hit connect. Boom. 50K account. Brand new. I need to make this account 53,000. So I need to make 53,000. I need to make $3,000 before this thing goes to 48,000. Okay, so that's how we're doing it. When I want to place my trade, I hit that. This is my trade window. I'll explain all of that in another video, or maybe I won't. You can just watch other people do it. All right, this is my window. This is all the stuff I trade. I do crypto too. This is my portfolio right here. You know, obviously the crypto market is down a lot, but this is about to do numbers. This is about to do numbers. This is gonna get crazy. 100x right here. It's probably gonna outperform most meme tokens. So it's IOTA. You know what I'm saying? There's some other shit. You know, obviously you see whose money is at it. You know what I'm saying? These are the coins that I'm watching. All of the market's down right now. You know what I mean? So I'm thinking, do I want to be greedy and catch a trade on the way up because that's where I feel it's going? I mean, I could essentially catch one. That would be 100 points. What would my downside be if I got in and maybe if I got him on like three micros, which 48 times 3? No, well, it's double. So 48 and 48 is 156. Wait, 40 and 40 is 80. 8 and 8 is 16, so that's 96. 96 times 3, 9, 18, 27, and 12. 39. I'm not going to do that. That'd be risking too much. That's just being thirsty as hell. So the way I calculate my position size in futures is basically double for a micro. So if I do 1 micro at 48, it's 48 times 2. You know what I'm saying? So if you're doing 3, you do double and then multiply it. So if I did 48 times 2 times 3, that's 288 I would be risking to make, you know, same math right here. Let's say I went to right here, make it easy, to make 600. Or you just do the easy way like this. Say I want to take a long position. I get in here, use my long tool, get in right here. This is where I want to risk. Go here. I'm making a 1 to 6, 1 to 7 almost if I just went right here. This is a 1 to 4. So whatever I'm risking, I'll make 4 times that. Like I said, I'll explain this better when I'm actually doing an educational video right now and trying to trade and get in where I fit in. You feel me? Oh, wait, hold on. No, hell no. Tripping. See, the market's pushing up. Now it's pushing down. Like I said, this is what I'm thinking right here. I really want to see this hit. So, let me see something, man. I'm about to try something new. Let me try something new. feel like it couldn't even push down here. It couldn't even make it down here. And like I said, this was a sweep on the way up, closed inside the fair value gap. So if anything, this level right here would get swept. I don't know if it's big enough for you guys to see. If anything, this swing high would get swept. It may push the market down. That could happen too. That is a 1 hour fair value gap. But like I said, we have this huge 4 hour one sitting above here, and I'm really believing that that's going to get filled. I mean, the volume, it's nothing like this, how this was going crazy. It's nothing like that. I really just see this market coming up here. I really can't see it taking off without coming to get these traders. I really think it's going to trap these traders up here who are going short. It's trapping breakout. See, you have breakout traders. When this level broke, you had traders entering short positions going down here, right? So now what the market's trying to do is trap them. Their stop losses are up here somewhere. So they entered in, right? So say you were this breakout trader, and breakout means you just trade breakouts of levels, right? So if it passes a level, you hop in on the trade. So the breakout trader got in down here. Said, oh, it's a breakout. I'm going. Boom. He's selling. Market turns around. They normally put their stop loss at the next swing high, which is up here. So the market would like to come in, trap them, right? Trap them in the trade. At the same time, you have breakout traders who are trading the breakout up this level. Come up to here, trap these traders in, take their stop losses out, push down, take these traders' stop losses out down here, and then continue where they're going. Is that what the market is doing right now? I don't know. Right now, it looks like it's ranging to me. This was a level that, you know, it's a valid area. I just don't like the fact that there's a higher authority level up top, which is this fair value gap. And then once again, there's no volume coming in right here. You had this push, which was more volume than the two of these candles combined. This one came in with more volume than this one, but look at the push. The buyers came from the bottom and pushed it all the way back up here with less volume. So the sellers aren't really strong right here. So I need to see them step in before I can hop in on a trade to the downside. And as you can see, the same thing that I'm thinking. I really need to see these guys step in. And I'm not going to rush it. What's the 15 looking like? See what I'm saying? The 15-minute time frame is just ranging around. We're stuck between this point, this high, and this low. Price is just ranging. So I want to see one of these lows or highs get taken out first before I hop in on a trade. Let's do it like this. I may have to lighten up my chart. Yeah, that's better. It's kind of bright, but it'll do. It will do ski. Let's move this. I just put that on there for purposes for you guys to see. See how the volume's dying down on the way down, which is crazy to me. I could have scalped this. Okay. Like I said, we swept this level, closed above this. This is an order block. I'll teach that to you guys another time too. So this is actually a valid order block right here. Okay, I gotta change the colors of this now. Let's go with, oh shit. Let's go with yellow, ugly ass yellow. So now that I'm seeing this, that this is a 15-minute order block, and I'm believing we're gonna go up here and take liquidity. Volume's decreasing. 30 seconds left in this candle. Look at this big ass candle right here with little volume compared to this candle. Right? That's just not right. So that having me believe that it's a reversal happening. Open up another chart. Hold on 1 second, guys. Okay. This is, oh, it's a crypto chart. Holy shit. I'd have been pissed. Okay. This is the same chart, but on a higher time frame. This is the 1 minute. I mean, this is the 15-minute. This is a daily, so I'm going to change this to the 1 minute so I can see what's going on a 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame. The selling volume has picked up. It definitely picked up. I'm not convinced though. Yeah, we're just ranging, like no one side is taking control yet. Although this looks healthy, this looks like a healthy push down. I mean, I have the fair value gaps, which indicate pressure to the downside, but then just the lack of volume on the 15-minute is not giving me confidence. And you see, you had the buyer step in here. I want to take a trade up here because I feel like it's going back to grab this liquidity. But at the end of the day, my daily bias is down here. So I really want to trade with the trend. I don't want to trade against it because that lessens my chances of winning. But if I do get a big bullish volume candle right here on the 1 minute, I think I might hop in. I might scout the market to the upside. I mean, on the 1 minute, we do have an order block right here on the 1 minute that's been tapped into. Let me show you guys. Like I said, everything is fractal. So everything I'm explaining about the higher time frame happens on the lower time frame. See, this is what I'm saying. Look at this. It came back into this area right here. This was the order block. The last down candle before the up move. Tapped it, like literally. Did it tap it? They say don't take the wicks, but, you know, they can't tell me what to do. I just do what I do. Yeah, tapped right into it. Got the rejection off of it. You know what I'm saying? Like, pushed up. Closed above this. With little volume. See what I was saying? I could scalp this. That was I put 5 micros on here from here. Shit. That's $300 right there. That little move in those few seconds was $300. And I'm thinking about taking that shit all the way up to here. So I would have got it right here. I'm thinking about at least taking it to here. That's 2,000. So I'm telling you guys, you just gotta just be patient. This money, see the bullish volume stepping in. I need to figure out how to get music on my stream. If you guys would tell me how to get music on my stream, I'd really, really appreciate it. I may get in on a down candle to the upside. At this point, I'm thoroughly kind of convinced that we're going to go to grab the liquidity in the 4-hour FVG. Let me just double check. Yeah, this is a pretty significant sweep. The bearish volume decreased significantly from over here. Let me move this. I only put this here for you guys. I don't need this. So I would like to see the reversal on the 15. But which we had right here. We had it right here. It took out. Made a bullish order block. Let's see how we're looking right here, guys. If I get low volume, I may hop in on a trade right here to the upside. I'll do like something like 2 micros, just because I'm going against the trend. 2 micros up here would still give me, sheesh. Let's say I go right here. Let's do this for that. That'll still give me 800. Let me see. It would be market, take profit. All right, I'm gonna buy.
Order filled.
I'm gonna go right here. May take me out. I don't know. I'm gonna go right here and take this up here. That's where I feel like it's going. It may take me out, guys. I don't know, but I'm in there. Order filled with 2 micros. Not risking too much. Let me see. I got in right here. Stop loss right here. 43 is what? 86. 86 times 2. 160. I'm risking 170 something to make. Let's see. Let's do some math. I'm going to give you guys the exact numbers. So my stop loss is at 43.25. So 43.25 times 2 equals 86 times 2. I'm risking 173 times 4 to make almost $700, to make a little bit over $700. Now I could be dead ass wrong. I could be dead wrong. Like I said, I'm going against my initial bias, but I'm feeling like the market wants to retrace to the upside. That's why you risk little when you're trading against the grain. See, these candles right here, this is what I like to see, because this is what kind of makes me feel better about this trade, is that the sellers pushed this candle all the way down here and the buyer stepped in and pushed it all the way back up here with all this selling volume in the candle. You know what I mean? Now I should be really doing a 1 to 2. Maybe I'll take half off when I get to like a 1 to 2, which would be like here, which means from 173 I would have made, over 300. Is a 1 to 2. But definitely when I get to a 1 to 1, definitely when I get right here, I'm moving my stops to break even. So when I hit right here, I'm moving my stop loss up to break even. So I don't have any risk on the trade. Let me do another one. Let me do another one right here like this. Let's do a 1 to 2. See, you guys will watch, if you watch YouTube enough, you'll watch people that be like, oh, I'm adding on my positions. Listen, guys, you don't have to do what these people are doing. You know what I'm saying? Just get in the market, learn your shit. I'm moving my stop loss to break even. Just a little bit above break even. Because there's fees and shit. So now this is a risk-free trade for me. I'm up 165, 170 on the account. Remember, my goal is to make 3K. You know, but I actually feel like we're chasing liquidity. These breakout traders over here who's trading this breakout, they're now trapped. Their stop losses are up here somewhere. So we're gonna go take their stop losses out. That's what I like to do. I like to see where the traders are trapped in and then run the market with the big boys. 192. Okay, so I can see some resistance from up here. The volume's increasing though. $100 on a day. I could take off a trade. I could close one. And then just let the rest run. You know what I mean? Be up positive 100. You know, but right now this is a risk-free trade. And I'm liking the volume that's coming in. I'm definitely liking the volume that's coming in. Liquidity is like a magnet also. So I have buy side liquidity up here. I mean sell side liquidity up here. I mean buy side liquidity up here, my bad. So I'm gonna hold this. I'm gonna hold this. Volume died off up here around this area. If I get taken out, you know, it's no big deal. I don't lose much, maybe $1 or something for fees. But right now I'm running with the order flow of the market, and the market's telling me we're going to run that liquidity up top. So I want to see a push past this level right here. I definitely want to see a push past this level. If I get a close above this level, I might add my positions on, but I don't recommend that you guys do that if you're just now learning. See this all bullish volume coming in right here? It's dying off a little bit. We are at a level of resistance right here. So I may take off one just to lock some gains in. I didn't put too many on. Like I said, I am trading against the grain right now. Like I really am. I know my bias is to the downside, but let's just see what happens here. And this is good for everybody to see too. You got to take your profits and run. So when I was talking about trailing drawdown, so you see how I was up 200 and something. Now if I get out right here, I'm still up $100. My trailing drawdown will go down from what I was up max to where it's at now. Okay, that was big volume coming in from the sellers in this position. Let's see, because I like this right here. I'm thinking this level should hold. I'm really feeling like this level right here should hold. Let's see, because I'll close this trade out in profits. I don't care. You can't complain about taking profits. But I need to see this candle close first. Okay. Where are we closing at? Yeah. I think I want to move this up. I don't even want to pay fees, guys. I don't even want to pay fees. It just goes wrong. So let me click on this. Let's move this up a little. Oh shit. Hold on, I'll change my whole damn chart. Let's move this up a little bit because I don't even want to pay fees. You know what I'm saying? The thing about this is I have this fair value gap right here to help push up. Let's see. Let's see. I want to see this close bullish. I want to see this close bullish. Because I believed in this area right here is where the volume kicked in at. Did it close bullish? Alright, stop going underneath here. Stops going underneath this low. Now we locked in some profit on the trade. Not much, but we locked in some. What did we lock in? Like $30, whatever. And I said, what's this, a 1-to-1? If you had a 1-to-1, you can make some bread, but the math, it's not mathing when it's 1-to-1 because I like 1-to-2s, 1-to-3s, because if I win one, I have to lose 2 to break even. Damn, I really need to get some of them Blu-ray blockers. This screen is making my eyes water, bro. See, I had no fair value guys pushing to the downside, so I wasn't really too concerned about this downward pressure. It really wasn't showing me that it wanted to go down. But like I said, we're still ranging. So depending on how we do up here, if we can't close above this level, I'm going to take one off, guys, and just lock in some real gains here. What is this, my 1-to-2? This is my 1-to-2. See? And then my full TP for this trade would be up here. At a 1-2. Shit. A 1-to-4. Yeah, the price is ranging. I mean, it comes back down, takes us out, it takes us out. You know, I'm playing with fire anyway. I don't trade against the trend. This is like, really, don't trade against the trend, guys. Do not trade against the trend. The reason I'm taking this trade is for my analysis, a higher time frame, seeing what we got going on, and seeing the lack of volume coming in. I'm doing a bunch of shit that I've lost a lot of money on, that I've learned over time. So, you know, like, you see the rejections we're getting from right there? It's crazy. I need more buyer volume to step in. So the sellers are absorbing these buy orders up here. Yeah. And the buyers, see, we're fighting right now. This next push should do it to either side. Yeah. I mean, we did make higher lows, higher highs. We have higher lows here. Higher high. I mean, we have a higher low. From here, let's do it over here. See where this is low? We have a higher low right here. Right? We made a high. And we made a higher high with a higher low. Now, I'm trying to make a higher high. That's market structure. Same thing on a 1 minute time frame. Came down, made a higher low than over here. This is a low. Swept this, right? Swept this. Made a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. I'm looking for a higher high with a close. I want a strong close over that. This trade really starting to get on my nerves. But this is what it's about. It's about patience. So I want to take one off. If I take one off, it's only going to be like $50. So I might as well leave my shit where it's at. Normally I do 5 micros. So I would have took one off, took 2 off. I'd be up like $200, $300, which would be good. My goal, guys, for the year is to literally do 1 to 2s, risking 200 to make 400. I want to do that in scale. The reason why I'm saying 200 because I have 2,500 to lose, so I should really be risking 250. So I have to lose 10 times in a row to blow my account, right? To make 500. There we go. That's the push I'm looking for. And I want to see what volume. If we don't get no volume on this push, see, now I should add into this position. I really should add into this position, but I'm not because there's no need to. Okay, there's no need to. So now let's go back to one screen. This is the 15-minute, right? Let's go to the 1 minute so we can watch it. I know you guys like the action. So this is my 1-to-1 where I move break even. Then market started showing me some strength, so I moved it up to under here to protect, just to put some profits in the pocket no matter what. Now I hit my 1-to-2. I should have took half off right here, but I literally wasn't paying attention. That would have pocketed 150. I could close the trade out for 300 in profit. I'll move. Should I close the trade out? I'm gonna take one off, guys. I'm gonna take one off. I'm gonna sell one.
Order filled.
I'm gonna sell one. So I locked in $125, guys. Normally I'm trading with 5 micros, so when I take off 2 and 3, it's like $300. But I'm gonna lock that in. Stops is still above break even, so it's a risk-free trade for me. Even taking off right here. Let me just remove this. I should move this. Right? Even taking off right here. This is still a 1. I still have 1 on here. Let's move this up. Oh shit. Let's trade this. Let's change this to 1. Because they will fucking sell the order up there for me. I don't want to do that. Okay, so now, so even from here, where I entered in at, to here, is, annoying as hell. It's 182 points. That's still $300 something. That's over $300 with just this one. You know what I'm saying? So when I be doing 5 and all that, it's like unnecessary. But I'm really proud of myself with this trade, guys. My first trade of the year. I'm really gonna be doing my best to try to educate, to save you guys a lot of money and heartache and stress, because you can make money trading. Trading is real. It's not gambling. Nothing's 100%. You know what I mean? You don't know what these market makers are gonna do. What you do know is they're trying to hunt your money. They're trying to make you lose. So we do know that. So if we trade with that logic, then we should be good. There's a few things. So trading, guys, is like this. Trading is like going to the casino and playing blackjack. Everybody's heard of card counting, correct? So picture trading like going to the casino to play blackjack, but you know how to count cards. Okay? It doesn't mean you're gonna go to the casino and win every hand of blackjack. It just increases your odds at winning. You have an edge over the casino. You know what I mean? You have an edge because you know how to count cards. So you know when the deck is running hot, you know to bet more money. That's like trading. You know when you can follow the market structure and you can see these key levels of interest, and you can use volume analysis and all that. You give yourself an edge in the markets. See, now I saw selling volume decreasing as the market was going down, it's decreasing. Now I'm seeing the market volume push up. I have liquidity here. I told you liquidity is like a magnet. But the only thing is, why I only went so low is because I'm trading against the grain. My daily bias is still, guys, to the downside. My daily bias is all the way down here because I came from the daily time frame analyzing the market. I don't really like this gray, man. This gray is like, it's extremely bright and it's making my eyes water, yo. Like, what the hell? Damn. Let me see if I can go something darker, maybe. Okay, this looks better. I don't know, this might have been the shit I had it at before, or whatever. I might just go to black next time and change my candle colors. But you see this big ass candle right here? This is letting me know it wants to push to the downside. You know what I mean? But this volume right here for the daily, it's not coming in like I need it to. So you drop down to a lower time frame and you see the volume's dropping off, man. It's dropping off from this push to this push right here. It dropped off dramatically. Go to 1 hour, get an even better picture. Like I said, we're ranging. We're ranging between these 2 points, from here and here, with a fair value gap underneath. This should be filled. You know what I mean? Got this big ass volume candle right here. It was more volume than these 2 candles put together. This one candle had more volume in it than these 2 candles put together. That's bullish for me. Now you have this candle coming with all this volume more than this one, and it couldn't even get down to the to the opening point of this candle. That's bullish for me. Now, where the market goes to, I don't know, because I know the market's trying to go down here. So I'm counter trend trading, which is a huge no-no. But I already locked in some profits. If I would have took my profits out at the $300 mark when I made 300, guess what? 9 more trades to go past my account. But I'm trying to educate the masses. So I could sit here and watch this trade. I really don't have to because I have a stop loss right here. You know what I mean? I don't like any, you know what? Let me move all this drawings off. Make it a lot more clearer. Let me hide this because I didn't even use this. I don't even know what the hell it is. I use this though. I do use my EMAs though. See, everything's telling me it's going down. So you're like, yo, Chops, why would you take this to the upside? Well, like I said, it's counter trend trading. I shouldn't have did it. Straight up, hands down, should not have done it. I've lost a lot of money counter trend trading because I didn't know any better. But now that I do know better, that's why I took some profits. I went in with a small lot size. I went in with a small contract size of two micros. You know what I mean? If you guys want to know how futures is calculated, there's many videos on there. I'm not going to take the time right now to explain that. I'll explain that at a later date. You see how we're getting massive rejections over here on the 15-minute? Massive rejections from this area. So this is what I like to do. I like to take the lowest area that has the most touches right here. Touch, 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 touch. We're getting massive rejections from right here. Matter of fact, what am I doing? I'm tripping. It's really running my mouth. So from here, this is a massive zone of selling pressure. You feel me? We got over it. And to be honest with you, it's this whole area. This area is wicked. I don't even like that last one. I like this right here. Yeah, multiple touches. The lowest point of multiple touches. Right here. this zone. I need to get over this. We get over this, we're going straight to the moon. We're going straight to my TP. See, and we're getting held up. We're getting held up by this zone. So we're getting held up right here. The buyers in this area are holding us up. Literally. We made the higher high, made the higher low. This is a 5-minute chart, guys. So it's the same thing applies. I'm feeling like if we come down underneath this level, the trade's dead. I feel like if we come down underneath this level, the trade's dead. So you know what? I'm gonna lock in a little bit more. I'm gonna lock in a little bit more. Let me see, what do I want to lock in at? Yeah, I'm going to lock in a little bit more. Try it right here. I like that. So I locked in 125. Also locked in 125 with another 42. Another $84 locked in profit, give or take. Wait, what? That's not $84. What the hell am I talking about? I'm tripping. From here to here. Oh yeah, I only got one contract on. Another $44 locked in. So low 169. You know what I mean? But that's not it for the day. I mean, my trade still didn't happen. I could end for the day like that and just slow grind it. You know what I mean? I pretty much figured this might be a ranging day just because of the daily time frame. On a daily time frame, we have our candle pushed down here. You know, we possibly are creating a fair value gap between this low. What the fuck? Alright, I'm moving this. I don't need that alert. I'm here. Between this low, possibly creating a fair value gap. So this could range, and I was pretty much aware of that. I really should just end this trade and take my damn money, right? And we're like 200. Oh, we're about to get taken
Stop
out right
filled.
now. Yeah. All right, look, 169 so far. Not bad. Not bad. $169 in a few minutes. I mean, obviously I was here for an hour and a half looking at the charts. But let's go back and see. Can I hop back in? Possibly. Because the candle didn't close. See? It didn't close underneath there. But the volume is dying down. Let me go back to my two screens. My two chains. I might get back in because I just pushed that up because I wanted to lock in some shit. But we still didn't close under there. And now I have some money to play with. So can I push back to that level? Let me see. I might do 3. I'm going to do 5, man. I'm going to buy a 5.
Order filled.
Let's go. This is degenerate. This is degeneracy at its all-time high, guys. Let me get ready to take some profits off. We got held up by this level. You know what I'm saying? That's the only reason why I'm hopping back in. You know what I mean? struggling. But the market wants to push up. This seller's sitting here absorbing all these orders. I don't trade with Bookmap or nothing like that, so I don't really see it. I'm just trading off of what I see, how the candles are moving. But yeah, the seller's sitting here absorbing these orders. But we have buyers right here also. I get another push up. I'm gonna take off like 3. A nice decent push up. Yeah, I'm gonna take off.
Order filled.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna lock in some bread, bro. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous work. You know what I'm saying? Oh shit. Let's trade, sell 2. I need to put my stop loss in. Sell 2. I'm gonna bring this up to like. I'm bringing this up. Where did I get in at? Yeah. Are we pushing? Volume's dying. I'm going to break even. I scalped me a couple of dollars. I don't care. I ain't tripping. You know what I'm saying? Scalp me a few. I should scalp another, take another one off. Just to, ooh, look at that push. That's what I'm talking about, bro. I'm gonna scalp me another one. That volume looking good though. See, we got this level right here. Let me see. Oh yeah, I'm taking another one off.
Order filled.
Oh yeah. Oh shit, hold on. And then I don't want any money to come off, not even fees. So move it up a little bit more. That's what I'm saying, guys. Guys, just read the order flow. Like, there's just certain levels and shit. I'm gonna I gotta edit this video down. Let me write some notes down to where this video is at, so I can make some shorts to get you guys on this channel, trading with me every morning. So we're at like about 128 in. And I got in probably, when did I get in this trade? Oh shit, it's after 10:30. Yeah, I don't enter any trades after 11 o'clock. So I got in this trade probably like a half hour ago. So I'm gonna start looking like I'm gonna start checking around the hour mark. All right, so like I was saying, guys, we get above this level, we're looking like we're gonna eat. You feel me? We're gonna eat. As my daughter would say, "Daddy, eat. Daddy, come eat." She's 2, y'all. She thinks she's some mom. She calls me babe. I love you, babe. And like I said, there's liquidity resting right here. But yo, these sellers right here, they're not playing no games, bro. They're not playing no games. These boys are not playing. Nah, we're not coming back down here. I'm not. Oh, see? I should let it rock, though. I should let it rock. I mean, I'm already profitable. I'm 233. Yeah, go ahead. I'm gonna let it rock right here. 233 plus another another $12. Yeah, I'm letting it rock. Like, I really want to take this level out, man. Like, that's what's so crazy. That level needs to be taken out. See, like, you worry about the money just because you want to have risk off trades, but it's more about the technique because the money's gonna come. If you master your technique, the money's gonna come. Like, I've spent 4 years and countless thousands of thousands. I'm talking about thousands of dollars that I did not have. I'm not rich, y'all. Thousands of dollars, bro. Trying to learn how to trade from these so-called gurus, these courses that they put out. Do not ever, ever, under no circumstances, join a signals group. Do you see how when I get in a trade, how a second later the trade is somewhere else? So just by that logic alone, how could a signals group ever be profitable, bro? They're gonna tell you, oh, I'm getting it here, send out the signal. By the time you get that signal, the trade done move 20, 30 points. Don't do signal groups, bro. Just learn to trade. Join the community. If it's not my community, join a community that you feel comfortable with. I mean, I even haven't started my community yet. I don't even know how to build this shit. I gotta figure it out. I gotta figure out. People are telling me to do school. I have people telling me to do something called WAP, which sounds crazy. Like, that sounds like a racist slur, which is like insane. WAP sounds crazy. You know what I'm saying? It almost sounds as bad as the N word. I mean, but it's a platform, so they're telling me to use school or WAP. All right, you see how this volume's dropping off right now? As the volume, as price trying to move to the upside, it's dropping off, kind of like dramatically. But the selling volume's dropping off, so we're ranging. Normally, after a range, you get a big move, so it's kind of like a squeeze. They have an indicator for that. It's called the TTM squeeze. I don't really use it. I kind of just look at it in the charts. But I do have a. This is a bearish flag, to be honest with you. When you get the big drop down, so this is you got the big drop down, price holding here, trending up, dragging on the way up for a big drop down. Like I said, the only reason I'm even still alive in this trade right now to the upside, I haven't closed it out completely, because I really do believe that we are reaching full liquidity up here. But like I said, my end of the day bias, by the end of, where the hell did it go? Did I take it off? I must have took it off. Hold on, let me put it back up for you guys. My draw, my end of the day, I feel like price is moving towards here. We're on a downtrend. We were on an uptrend. We broke the low that made this high. We broke that right here, which put us into a downtrend. The downtrend was confirmed for me when it made a lower high, because it failed to make the higher high. It made a lower high and then made a lower low, closed low. It went lower than this low. We put in another lower low, a lower high. So lower low is what I'm looking for next. How am I going to get to that lower low? I feel like I'm going to get to that lower low from this 4-hour fair value gap. Now, I could be dead ass wrong. Like, dead ass. I could be wrong. You feel me? But, oh shit, I'm tripping. I'm on the 1 minute using daily, trying to see daily levels. I'm marked out. I'm tripping. I could be dead ass wrong. You feel me? But I feel like we're going to get the spike up here because there's just so much liquidity resting in here. Like, look at this. Like, this level is just so much money of people who are selling the market, who didn't take profits. There's people who sold from here that didn't take profits, that the big money's going to come and get. They're coming to get them. And then there's nothing but selling orders in here. Buyers haven't got a chance to step in right here. So the market's going to come right here. It's an inefficiency. It doesn't have to, but that's what I'm assuming. I'm assuming we're going to get a tap right into this. Not a huge. I don't think we're gonna feel it. Well, we may feel it. We may come to. We may come right to here, to this level. This dark zone might tap here and push straight down, or we may just tap right here and go down. I don't know what the market's gonna do. I'm reacting. I'm making my assumptions and I'm reacting. Right now, the market is ranging back and forth, going to 11 o'clock. I would not take any entries after 11 o'clock. If you're not in the market right now, I would literally wait till after lunchtime to get in. You know what I'm saying? This is where the volatility starts dying down. 11 o'clock, 11:30, as they go into lunch. Is the market built on algorithms? Yes, they are algorithms that trade the market. Do I believe in ICT concepts and all that? I think there's some merit to what he's saying. My whole thing is, if everything is time-based and algorithm-based, then why doesn't it happen all the time at the same time? You know, are the chances higher from what I've seen with what he teaches? Yeah, I mean, shit does happen at certain times. It does. I'm not going to lie. Does it happen all the time? Hell no, it doesn't. So that has me believe, like, is it valid? You know? I don't know. I just trade what works for me. And looking at volume and momentum is what I like to see. Speaking of momentum, I don't have my MACD indicator or my RSI. I'm actually tripping for real. Like I said, we have a nice bearish flag going on. We have the pole. We got this level right here. I mean, to be honest with you, shit. Come on. To be honest with you, on a 4 hour, it is bullish market structure, to be honest with you. I mean, we swept this. It was bearish. We broke the high that made this low. This became a valid order block. See, this is why I be tripping sometimes. It became a valid order block right here, which is why we tapped into this. Which is why we tapped into this. And we're getting all these rejections. This is a valid order block. You know what I mean? This is a valid order block on a 4 hour. I take it from the wick to opening the wick. This is a valid order block on a 4 hour.
Stop filled.
Yeah, there we go. Stop fill. 246 on a day so far. You know what I'm saying? Am I mad at this? Hell no, I'm not mad. Can I end the stream right now? Hell yeah, I can end the stream. Shit. I need more confirmation. I mean, there was a 1 hour fair value gap that we ran into right here. What is this? This 1 hour right here we ran into, and we got the market structure shift to the downside. We pushed up. You know what I'm saying? Boom. High that made the low, pushed up above there, giving us the bullish market structure on a 1 minute. You know what I'm saying? And we're still in bullish market structure. This is the low that made this high. This low needs to be broken in order for us to be in bearish market structure. Point blank period. All this shit in between is noise. This was broken above, so now this is the low that made this high. So this needs to be broken in order to be in bearish market structure on the 1 minute. All this shit between here and here is noise. This means nothing. So on a 1 minute, between here in here, this is all noise. This is how they fuck you around. They have you in and out your trade. Right now we're in bullish market structure. So could I get back in? Yeah, I could get back in. Look at this push up from the bulls. This is on a 1 hour time frame. Look at this push up right here. That means that one time this was a bearish candle, and they came in and pushed this shit all the way up and then closed like this. That to me is bearish all fucking day. I may actually get my ass back in here. Let me see. I'm trying to mark off an area so I can see what the hell's going on. Okay. It's the opening of this candle. I'm looking for this now to be taken out. This liquidity, and make these red so I can know the zones. Let's make these a different color. Let's make these blue. I'll explain all this shit in another video to you guys. Now I'm looking for this to be taken out. I'm on a 1 minute, right? Let me see. They take this out somewhere. This, all of this, to be honest with you, is liquidity. Trying to see. If they take any of this out down here and I get an order block, I'm hopping in. So let's just say I went from here. Damn, all the way down in here is 50. That's 100. $112. If I went back up to here, that's another 1 to 2. Shit. What if I went up to here? Shit, I'll go for a straight 1 to 3 out of this joint. It's tripping. Oh, that's just a liquidity level. Fair value gap is still up here. So 1 to 3. This is my 1 to 2. My 1 to 2 will be right here. You know what? Don't I have a template for a 1 to 2? I got a 1 to 3 template. I gotta do a 1 to 2 template. I'm not saying I'm gonna hop in right here because there's liquidity down here. Let me see. I got liquidity joints. Oh, I did raise. Hold on. This is liquidity. So liquidity. I don't like that. I'm going to use white. This is liquidity. Remember, I said people's stop losses are liquidity. This is liquidity. What am I doing here? I'm acting like I don't know what the fuck's going on. And this is liquidity. All this is liquidity. So we swept one. If I get an order block from there, I'm getting back in on trade, guys. I know I just said don't take a trade after 11, but when you're hot, that's exactly how you lose all your money gambling. Sweep, price close above this level right here. Price closes above this level right here. That will be a valid order block on the 1 minute time frame. After we got this huge push up from here on the 1 hour, showing us, what the hell is this? This side, this is liquidity. Showing us that price did not want to close beneath this level. Let's see. Let's see how we're reacting right there. fair value gap being created underneath that's showing intention. That is showing intention in the market. This is a lot for $300. If I would have put my 5 contracts on to begin with, I'd be well over $500-600 by now. Look at that. We got a rejection from that level. I'm feeling like we're gonna come back here and pop back up right here to this level right here. Pop back up. Boom. What time of my video is this? See, you guys are watching me do this shit live right now. $146. $146. I'm analyzing because if I get back in, y'all not gonna believe it until I show you. Another trade entry I'm about to get into. This would be, if I get in with one, this would be 70 to make 280. Or 350 to make 1400. The reason why I didn't enter, on this yet? Because I didn't see what I needed to see from the candles. Now, I'm seeing what I wanted to see. That's where I should begin, niggas. I be trying to tell you. Yo, what's up with this joint, man? Oh. I'm not gonna get here and risk all my bread back that I just made. I mean, I am positive for the day. It is looking good. We did get the sweep. Bullish volume is coming back in, but it's not holding. It's just not. It's not. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Like this is a valid 1 minute order that swept liquidity closed above this level. You know what I'm saying? Fair value gap. Like this is a valid area to take a trade from. Like if I took a trade from here, I wouldn't be mad if it went against me. The only reason that would piss me off is because I know that I'm trading against the grain right now. And it's like, is it worth it?
Order filled.
Oh shit, I got him with 4. I'm tripping, gang. Oh hell nah. I'm wilding. You know what? Fuck it though. I believe in myself. I believe in my analysis. Damn, that rejection was quick as hell. I need another boost back to the upside. See, these sellers is tripping, bro. They're trying to come in and dominate the market. I'm about to close this whole shit out. You scaring the hell out of me. They ain't coming with no volume either. They just playing dumbass games, though. Sell me too real quick. Shit, ain't gonna get me. Damn, it got me. get to a point. Let me sell off 2 of these joints. I ain't even mean to get in with 4. I was tripping. But I ain't scared though. You know what I mean? I ain't scared. This level going nuts right here. Okay. Sell off 2.
Order filled.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Sell 2. Bring my shit back to break even. Right above break even. What's this? What is this? Yo, hell no. This is 17? Nah, bruh. Oh, it's because I'm risking. Oh, that's what my wrist is right here. So let's just say I risked. Let's just say I risked this. That's 14. That's $28. It's $29. So say $30 to make 270. So this level is crazy right here, bro. This level is crazy. I'm selling one.
Order filled.
Playing with these people. This level is crazy right here. Look at that. This level is insane. Like this level been going hard literally all day. But like I said, we're still in bullish market structure on a 1 minute. So my next zone would be to break this high. And if we do reach this high, it's because we're snatching liquidity from up here. So you know what? I'm about to just rock out with my you know what out for this level right here. And I'm gonna do a sell. Sell one. And sell one right here at this level. And move this. And I'm gonna sell one right here at this level. Yup. Hey yo. Boom. Never mind this, because I'm all the way to break even already. Like, got no skin in the game. You feel me? Got no skin in the game. Fair value gap, that's what I want to see. And fair value gaps give me confidence. But this level is insane, bro. Okay, selling pressure is decreasing. The volume is decreasing on the sell side. Let me see a strong bullish close. I should add on to my position, bro. I really, really should. But I'm not too well versed in adding on positions and all that. Like, I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. I'm never gonna lie to you. These dudes be doing, add on to position and all that shit. I'm not with all that. Not right now. Not when I'm trying to make 100,000 by June. Or wait, January, February, March, April, May, June. I'm trying to make 100,000 by June, and I still gotta make 3,000 off of this just to get my account to where I can start making some bread. And I messed with the account instead of take profit. I did my fund in the future, so now I have to follow that stupid ass consistency rule. So I'm really gonna have to be scaling. But I'm gonna do 10%. I'm not doing 1%. I'm not doing 5%. I'm doing 10%. If I have 2,000 in my account, I'm risking 200. I feel I'm good enough where I won't lose 10 trades in a row. 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. I win 1, I have to lose 2 to break even. You feel me? As long as I win 1, that increases how many I can lose. You feel me? So that's what I'm gonna do. This level is crazy. What is going on? What is so important about this level right here? Am I missing something? What's the 15 looking like? Yeah, it's that same wild ass level. These sellers are just sitting here, absorbing all this. They don't want the market to go higher than this. These sellers are just sitting here, bro. Because on the forced giggity, this is the liquidity. And this right here is, I just keep saying the same shit over and over, y'all. I don't even know why I keep saying it. There's no new analysis. Fair value gaps right there in that yellow box on the 4-hour time frame. We're bullish on a 1 minute market structure. I already showed you guys that. This was the last low. This is the last high. Boom, boom. This high was broken. Closed over by this high. This low was not. This low was protected. This low is now. This low becomes valid when it makes the new high. This low is not valid. This is still the valid low. It's the low that made this high. You know what I'm saying? This is the low that made this high right now. So we're waiting for, this is the highest point from the lowest point. So we're waiting for another low to break this high. Then this shit would move from over here like this. So technically, this is liquidity too. I mean, my bad. So I say you gotta always look at your charts, bro. You know what you're looking at. This is liquidity too. So all this is liquidity. If I'm talking too much, it's because I'm teaching myself as I go. Oh yeah, we get a bullish candle from here. See, we get a bullish. Damn, yo, this light is crazy on my eyes, bro.
Stop filled.
Oh, order filled. 300 on a day. Really sit here and trade it longer than I wanted to. It's a problem that I have. I really need to get my ass up off these charts. I really want to hop back in. Actually, like right now. That's why you got to take profits, guys. You got to take profits no matter where your target's at. See, I have ambitious targets just because I'm just like, that's what it is. But I'm sitting here marking this, knowing all of this is liquidity. All of this is liquidity. So now this has been taken. Now this is liquidity. You feel me? That's been taken. Now this is liquidity, this is liquidity, this is liquidity. This low down here should be protected on the 1 minute. But guys, I'm going to end the stream right there. Come back tomorrow. 9 more trades of $300, and we have passed the funded challenge. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. I'm going to try to figure out how to cut this video up, put some shorts out for you boys and or ladies. And hopefully I see some of you guys tomorrow, man. Thanks for stopping by.